For Wednesday, the 13th of December, welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel. We'll be looking at the tropical scene and the local scene. This is Cloud Cameras New Zealand, provided by the Prime Security Limited. This is a live webcam available on their YouTube channel. BOM Meteorology, New South Wales, has a stronger wind warning in place for Sydney closed waters, the Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra coast. Strong wind warning down in Victoria, Port Phillip Bay. Fire weather warning is in place for the Northwest Pastoral, Northeast Pastoral, Eastern Air Peninsula, Flinders Mid-North, Mount Lofty Ranges, York Peninsula, Riverland, Murraylands, Upper South and Lower South East districts. Strong wind warning, Tasmania, Central North Coast, Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island, Lower East, South East, Southwest, Central West Coast, and that is for tomorrow. Now we have a look at the Fiji Service chart, and there is a 1005 millibar low, about 600 nautical miles east-northeast of Willis Island. The latest from the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre shows one system up there in the Westpac. The latest BOM Meteorology, so total forecasts of rain, and the activity again is going to be the coast southwest of Darwin down into Northern Territory, Western Australia, west coast of Tasmania, a 50 millibar vorticity. You can see the yellow and the darkening area to the west of, on the northwest of New Caledonia. Now here's a look at a satellite view of the region. Provide a shot of Australia, Papua New Guinea over to Java, and as mentioned, a 1005 millibar low. You can just see a little bit of rotation. Now pressure and wind, this is the GFS model. The Canadian model out to around 240 hours. They're also picking up this 1005 millibar low. The Fiji Met Office is indicating that a low is likely to form tomorrow, Thursday, within its region. Are we going to see multiple systems coming on the radar? When viewing the models, caution needs to be applied because the information does change. But there's no information indicating a tropical cyclone. However, are we going to see a tropical low where ex-tropical cyclone Pam developed? That's long term. Now the Fiji radar is currently experiencing technical issues, and here's some images over the last few hours. A look at supercell activity, and note the area to the west southwest of Darwin, down along that Northern Territory WA border. Now look at storm probability. Out to around 10 AM Thursday. And it looks like the bulk of the activity is going to be Broome to Darwin. Now this is wind in knots, and the information's bottom left hand side of the screen, and it's going to be South Australia, but more so Tasmania. Now we have a close look at Tasmania. And back to the storm outlook, note the white or pinkish right and the purple, that is Cape, and that measures the intensity of storm activity. And total precipitation via the GFS model. And again, note the area in yellow. The rainfall scales right hand side of the screen. I'm looking at the eastern seaboard. And the southeast Queensland going to get some more rain. Here's a closer look. Australia wide. And northern New South Wales.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13 all in text and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13 and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.